Alright guys, so check this out. We are back in the shop and today
I've been gluing up these panels. These ones I'm gluing up using the Guy Dunlop tape method and it works fan-freaking-tastic. The method of putting the strips together and running them through the planer like that, it really worked well. Check this out. I can hardly tell where the line is. I mean, the joint got almost perfect. And yeah, the panels are of course for drawer buttons for ease. This is just an MDF bottom and it's just a test piece. So the panels will, perform that role.